I used to feel completely drained every single day. I'd look at my massive to-do list and just feel this frustrating sense of failure. I did what everyone does, read the books, tried the crazy routines, and figured the answer was more discipline and less sleep. I was wrong. I learned that the secret to a new level of focus isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. It's about aligning with your body's natural rhythms. Everything changed for me when I focused on a few simple science-backed steps. Today I'm sharing those exact steps with you. This isn't about becoming superhuman. It's about building a sustainable system that takes you from drained to driven. The first and most critical step is a mindset I call the commander's intent. Before your day begins, you must decide what a win looks like. It's not an overwhelming to-do list. It's defining your single most important goal for the day. This cuts through the noise. The concept comes from the military, where a simple, clear objective is crucial for success on a chaotic battlefield. When you adopt this mindset, you give your brain a powerful filter for distractions. Each morning, ask yourself, if I could only accomplish one thing today to move my goals forward, what would it be? Write it down and be specific. Not work on my project, but draft the first page of the project proposal. This one sentence is your North Star for the day, providing clarity and focus. Once you have your intention, you need the energy to execute. That's step 2, building your energy foundation. This is about creating steady, all-day energy. It starts with your morning. First, get 10 minutes of direct sunlight. This helps trigger a healthy cortisol release that wakes up your brain and body. Second, wait 90 minutes before drinking coffee. Let your body's natural cortisol peak first. Then caffeine will give you a smoother boost. Hydrate with water while you wait. Third, move your body for just 15 minutes. A brisk walk is perfect for sharpening focus. Next, manage your work cycles. Your brain works best in 90-minute intervals, a cycle known as an ultradian rhythm. So work in a focused 90-minute block on your main task. Then take a true 20-minute break completely away from screens. Studies show it can take over 20 minutes to get your focus back after a digital distraction. This isn't laziness, it's a strategic way to maintain high performance all day. The final and most overlooked step is the recovery protocol. In our hustle culture, we forget that rest isn't the opposite of work. It's a vital part of it. Think of your brain as a muscle that needs recovery to get stronger. First, the wind down. You can't expect your brain to instantly shut off. For an hour before bed, get off your screens. The blue light messes with melatonin, your body's sleep hormone. Instead, read a physical book, stretch, or listen to calm music. Second, prioritize quality sleep. This is non-negotiable. Aim for a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Sleep is when your brain repairs itself and solidifies memories. It's the ultimate performance enhancer. Finally, active reflection. Take 15 minutes each week to review your progress. What worked? Why? This process turns you into your own performance coach, constantly refining your approach for better results. So that's the system. 3 simple steps. It starts with commander's intent for clarity. Then you build your energy foundation for fuel. And finally, you use the recovery protocol to recharge and get stronger. Stop chasing complicated hacks that lead to burnout. Peak performance isn't about more hustle. It's about aligning with your body and mind. Start small. Pick just one thing from this video. Maybe it's delaying your coffee or setting one daily intention. Try it for 1 week and see how you feel. If this was helpful, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments. What's the one thing you're going to try first? Thanks for watching. Now go win your day.